Hi guys, welcome back, and you can already see the happiness on my face because we are making a recipe related to chocolate. Chocolate brownie has to be at the top 5 list of the chocolate desserts, and we are making chocolate brownies today. Chocolate brownies are of two types, that is cakey and fudgy. We are making fudgy brownies, and there's a little surprise in it, so let's get started. I hope you guys like my video, and caramel goes very good with chocolate. So caramel and chocolate brownies is just an amazing combination. So don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.